Going on, everyone? Got a 2023 Kia Rio. Today we're going to replace the remote key fob battery. Thing you're going to want to do is open up the key, okay? And once we get that open, we're actually going to take this back panel off. You don't need any tools to do it. You can just use your thumb. Go ahead and go in here like this and just pull this back cover off, okay? It might be kind of hard, and if it is, you can use like a screwdriver or something, but it just pops off. This key is pretty new, so it still has this plastic insert in here. Sometimes this will be missing, sometimes it'll be in here if the remote's real new. This one's real new. If it's in there flat, you can kind of push on it and it'll pop up right at the bottom here. And we're gonna go ahead and take that out, okay? Now you don't have to use this when we go to put this back to replace the battery, but you notice how the battery will just jump out of here without it on. This is going to be the size battery we're working with. Is a CR2032 battery with a positive sign facing up. If you need one of these batteries, check the description box. I'll have a link there for a new battery if you need one. All we do is just stick it in the top first, slide it in like that. And again, you don't have to put this back in, but we're going to go ahead and do that here. And you notice that it has like these symbols, a little book sign and a positive sign. Just put it in there where you can read it. You know, it's all face up, and snap it back in there. This little weather seal that's in here pretty much seals the battery up and holds it in anyways. We just tape the little back cover, snap it together, and you're all done. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it. Drop me a like, leave me a comment. Hope to see you again in another video.